Hello my darlings, welcome to a creative video today. I'm in a different spot in the lounge. You'll see from the overhead shot that it's not my normal coffee table because since having Lula we've moved things around a bit and just kind of setting up the coffee table like I normally do isn't as easy and straightforward, so I've got a different table going. It's not as nice, shall we say, but hopefully YouTube studio will be being done in March, and we're in March now, so fingers crossed. We're hoping that that's going to happen, and I will be documenting it, and I will be doing like a vlog series, so that's mega exciting. But today I'm doing something a little bit different. I bought this from a charity shop for £1.50. Bargain, right? And basically I was like, that looks really cool, and I'm not very good at drawing. I'm good at like just kind of doodling, but not actually drawing anything specific. So I was like, oh, this looks quite cool. It teaches you how to draw like these little characters and stuff. So that, and there's loads of other stuff in here. Like just little things like this. So that's what we're going to do today. We're gonna go through and pick out some of these little cool images and probably just do like a full page spread of them and see how it goes. And I just thought it would be quite fun to document it. You can probably hear Lula whining, she's in the kitchen. But yeah, I just thought I would document it, film it, see how it goes, because they're really cool and cute. And also I think it's a cool book to show you that, like, even if you can't really draw, when you've got like a guidance from a book like this, then you know it's worth giving it a go. I actually had a look at the Pick Candle YouTube channel, and it hasn't been very active in the last couple of years, which I thought was quite interesting. So I'm gonna get myself set up. I'm going to move the camera, and I'm just going to kind of have fun with drawing some of these little, I think you say it kawaii maybe. Kawaii Doodle Class is what the book is called, so that's what we're going to get stuck into today, so I hope you enjoy it. really enjoyed having a go at these little doodles. They came out so cool. Some of them need a little bit of tweaking. I'm just going to practice and just give them a go again. But I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give them a go as well.